Bababa lang kami. Gamit na kami. Kakaliwa tayo dyan. Ayan na. Okay. Patuturakan lang yan. Tigil dito tayo sa ina. Enero pa. Sinima po. Nakaliwa ka dyan. Nakaliwa. Ayun. Minecraft po. Minecraft. Sa dulo. Okay, dito na tayo. Kaliwa nga, kaliwa. 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 Oh, kapit na talaga. Okay. Set na tayo.
This morning we're going to have a double celebration. 5 graduates in Bachelor of Elementary Education, Bachelor of Secondary Education, major in English, Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Marketing Management.
By the power vested in me by the Commission on Higher Education and by the Board of and confirm upon you the degrees to which you are now entitled under the existing rules of the Commission on Higher Education and consider you as graduates. You will receive your diplomas and exercise all the rights, duties, and responsibilities appertaining thereon.
Mira D. Zoleta. A. Dakuya. Olivan. Nicole D. Gonzalez. Tia Redine C. Jimeno.
Magbangkit na siya. Hindi mo lang ka ganun. Click yun.
And Jeremy L. Sazon.
Ano to niya akong pawit?
Angel May L. Information System. Andrea Sofia G. Abad. Congratulations. Andrea Sofia G. Abad, our honorable mention. To our parents, please accompany your graduate. Once again, Melka B. Alayon, our honorable mention. Once again, Katrina Paula T. Belovino, our honorable mention. Once again, Maria Redine C. Jimeno, honorable mention. From Bachelor of Science in Accounting Information, major in Marketing Management, Riza May T. Busbos, our cum laude.
Ay, 25. Faster talaga yan sa balance.
From another BSBA, major in marketing management, Cathy Ray G. Tansino, our cum laude. Once again, Berthine R. Epan, our cum laude.
Magna cum laude.
From DSE, major in English, our magna cum laude, Hart M. Trinidad.
Wala na, na-spoil na ako kanina.
Once again, let's give a round of applause to our magna cum laude, Miss Hart M. Trinidad.
Sabihin mo na. Sabihin mo kung mas ka na. Hindi naman. Sabihin mo na lang.
A huge impact on my life. And to Sir MF, who has been my inspiration.
Kailangan ako, like, na kailangan ko ng ganito, ganyan. Na may babayaran kami. One call away yung parents ko. Papa, thank you pa kasi nagpapatid sundo ako na katulad ng ma. Ay, kailangan ako. Nandiyan agad kayo sa akin. Patid ako pa. Pasundo ako pa. Kahit na may ginagawa kayo, nandiyan kayo para suportahan ako. Hindi ko man nasasabi sa inyo to, pero maraming salamat po.
But when you experience lack of financial, would you still continue your study? Some of us may not, or some of us will choose to work. Kasi si mama ko po, gigising ako nang nakaayos na lahat, inaasikaso niyo po ako. Kay Papa naman, actually, this is the first time na meron akong Papa sa graduation kasi for more than a decade, nasa Saudi po siya. Palagi po siyang wala at nandun po siya nagsasakripisyo. So, every time that I have difficulties in financial support in college, inaalala ko lang po yung mga times na meron pang capacity yung magulang ko na mabigay nila yung pangangailangan ko. Actually, di ko po talaga nai-imagine na makakagraduate ako because ang daming times na sinabi ko kay Sir JD na ayaw ko na mag-aral kasi I'm sorry to emotional. Kasi before, ayoko na talagang mag-continue mag-college due to di ko alam kung meron pa akong babaunin kinabukasan. Thank you so much to the school faculties, to my friends, to everyone, to my classmates and all. Let's not forget to dream big and chase those dreams with all of our hearts, no matter where life takes us.
Journey. The sacrifices you made, the encouragement you gave, and the unwavering belief you had me are something I will forever be grateful. You taught me the value of determination and hard work, and I carry those lessons with me always. And of course, to my relatives, who opened their homes to me. I am truly thankful. Your hospitality and generosity.
Today is more than just a graduation for me. It is the fulfillment of a dream that at one point I thought I had to let go of. 11 years ago, I pressed pause on my own dreams. So my family could pursue theirs. I became the breadwinner. At an age when most of my peers were worried about exams. So my teachers, thank you po sa tiwala. To my parents, Mama, Papa, I hope I made you proud. Kaya ko. Thank you, Ma, kasi lagi ka nandyan para supportahan ako sa mga bagay na gusto ko, sa pagbibigay ng mga kailangan ko. Sa lahat-lahat ng efforts, nakagraduate lang po ako, kami ni ate. Thank you po kasi ikaw yung mama ko. Thank you because you were always there comforting me when I was stressed, cheering me up with my favorite food.
You've sacrificed so much to ensure I could pursue my dreams. Your love inspired and shaped me for who I am today. To my partner, Don Sablada, your thoughtfulness and effort in making my day special haven't gone unnoticed.
Of friendship and of discovering who I really am. There were nights I stayed up late, feeling the weight of assignments and exams pressing down on me. There were times when I didn't think I could go any further, when doubt crept in. And I questioned everything. Why meditate? Why process fears? Why take the time to be self-aware?
Ito na ako, graduate. Thank you kasi nagtiis ka na more than 10 years na walang tulong na kahit sino. And also, Giselle, wala to sa speech. Minention mo kasi ako eh. Thank you kasi kapag walang-wala ako, nandiyan ka palagi. Ikaw yung gumagawa ng materials ko. Nagpapagawa na lang, galit pa. Sorry. So as we step forward into the next chapter of our lives, let us embrace change, face challenges with confidence, and never stop learning. This is not just an ending, but the beginning of new opportunities and endless possibilities.
This was my schedule every day, and during this time, I learned that time is incredibly precious. Over my 4 years in college, I came to understand the saying, time is gold. And I truly believe it. The most challenging moments of my college life were when I had to check my school schedule. I often found myself in tears saying, pagod na naman ako, wala na naman akong oras.
Then go get it. First, I would like to thank my beloved school, Golden Link College, for allowing me to complete my degree. At GLC, I learned that excuses are just simply excuses. If you want to finish something, you must invest both time and effort to accomplish it. No more excuses. No more palusot. Today is more than just a celebration. It's a moment of deep reflection and gratitude. As I stand here, ready to close this chapter and begin another, I can't help but to look back in my journey with a full heart. There was a time when I honestly thought I wouldn't make it here.
I felt overwhelmed, unsure, and even though I gave up on school altogether. But my teacher reminded me, Teacher Fisher, Mana sa'yo. I would also like to express my gratitude to my relatives.
Kay Nanay Isabel, Kuya Ken, Kuya Kevin, Tatay Vito, for providing us with a home filled with joy and love.
My voice would tremble, and worst of all, my confidence would fade. But everything changed when I entered Golden Lane College. I gradually regained my confidence there.
Thank you for always reminding me that I am capable of everything when I doubted myself. Your support, patience, and unwavering love has made me to keep going. To my beloved parents, Charlie and Carmen, together with my siblings.
Of course, along this journey, there are memories I will never forget. One was during my thesis defense when my ice cream cake melted. I was heartbroken. But Sir Olera's kind words reminded me that my efforts. And to my alma mater, GLC, thank you for being one of the most important steps to chase our dreams.
Costs of error. Diligence, preparation, planning, and a commitment to doing things well can prevent many unnecessary mistakes. The goal isn't to romanticize failure, but to cultivate the strength to learn from it when it inevitably arrives, and the discipline to minimize it through thoughtful and mindful action.
By becoming the best that I can possibly be through the further discovery of my potentials,
good noon to all of you, to all our graduates, our dear parents and members of the family, to the staff, faculty, and friends of Golden Lane.
Okay, thank you very much po. Congratulations again, Batch 2025. Alright, so we'll take a quick lunch lang po para po sa ating second program later on. So again, quick lunch po tayo. We'll come back here at 2:15 p.m.
Hello, ma'am! Kamusta?
Benta na sa spaghetti sa akin.
Tawa mo talaga.
Ay, sorry mo. Okay na, finish line. Sila na sir, sila na. Thank you po. Erika na. Next in line na sir. Bye-bye po. Bye-bye po sir.
Play.
Into fields of concentration, all of which have satisfactorily completed the requirements prescribed by the Commission on Higher Education.
Of Golden Lake College Foundation, I'm very, very happy to confirm that you have completed all the requirements for your respective degrees, and we now confer upon you the degrees to which you are entitled under the existing rules of the Commission on Higher Education.
Picture taking. Line up po, line. Angel Jonah C. Demate. From BSIT, Mac Lawrence C. Paningbatay, our honorable mention. Psychology, Mary Jean V. Cabezas, our cum laude. Once again, Mary Jean V. Cabezas from BS Psychology, our cum laude. Once again, Angel Jonah C. Demate, our cum laude.
Pangit palakas ko, hindi ko na Kaya pala, di ko muna binasa.
There are 5 children on your back without ever letting us feel how heavy that was. You worked without rest, smiled for us even when you were hurting, and you sacrificed your own comfort just to make sure we have a future.
You the most. I appreciate you. I love you, and I acknowledge my partner in crime for the comfort, Lord Ivan, for the comfort you give when I feel like I'm not okay. Thank you for letting me release all the burdens I feel and reminding me that I can always do it. Part of your life. Even when you keep asking yourself if it is worth it. Thank you for being brave and strong. The process wasn't easy, but it's amazing because there's progress. Finally!
Jessa, years from now, you're gonna look back on this day, and I want you to remember that I'm so proud of you. Sorry. Okay.
Look forward to. You turn stressful days into bearable ones, and normal moments into a best of my memories. I'm proud to have shared these moments. I'm proud to share this journey to you guys. Solid kayo naman. I want also give this gratitude to Golden Lake College. This school didn't just help me grow academically, it helped me grow as a person. It gave me confidence to speak in front of people and
teaching me how to feel, showing me my emotions, letting me know what to feel from what is not. What I got is more than I ever hoped for, and a lot of what I hoped for is thanks to you. No mountain, no valley, no time, no space, no heartache, no heartbreak, no love of grace can stop me from believing that my love will pull me through. Thanks to you.
You can see my name is not in the program as I'm supposed to be giving speech now. But listening to you, something was happening, or until now is happening in my chest. I felt very emotional, and I am still feeling very emotional. And college. By becoming the best that I can possibly be.
In the morning, and then they have to open up at about 5 o'clock in the morning the next day, then papasok pa siya sa eskwelahan. Ganun po, sometimes kahirap ang paghanda po natin sa ating kinabukasan.
Extensive, no? Maraming salamat po for your very excellent service today. For Kuya Sanatas in Golden Lake College.
It's all grateful faces. We held hands through
formal.
Klase niyo silang lahat?
Si JD.
Congratulations! Batch 2024-2025.
Yan na. Yan. Isa kami. Mama, si Dad. Wala tayo nakalimutan.